Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Autohrycfix. As you guys can see, it's getting a little bit warmer out there and it's time to open up the pool. I know last year I made a video how to close the pool, but today I'm going to show you how to reopen the pool. But at the same time, when I was looking at my pool, there's a few things that I've noticed that might need repairs. So hopefully those types of things can help you as well if you have the same situation. What happened was when I was looking to open the pool, I saw that there was chunks of rust that was inside the pool, and I was like, oh, what is that? So with further inspection, I noticed that the upper retainer stabilizer bar started to rust and surface rust, and the top layer was just coming off. It's an older pool. I converted to salt water, so older pools, saltwater system. Salt doesn't like it, metal doesn't like salt, so we have some rust issues. So I went ahead and removed all those retainers and started sanding them down, and we're going to repaint them. At the same time, I noticed that some of the upper slabs had a little bit of surface rust as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just slightly sand them down, put a nice coat of paint on it, and refresh the pool for summer. So let's go ahead and just do that. So I hope, yeah. And at the same time, when I was removing the top rails to look at the stabilizer rails, I noticed that there's a little bit of rust, and over the years the color has changed. So we're just gonna give the pool a little bit of a refresh so that we have a great summer, make sure everything is working properly and that we're safe. All right, so let's go ahead and let's start this job. So as you can see, these are the upper top rails that I was talking about before, that I was showing you guys that I was sanding down, and so I repainted it. I painted it with the epoxy glue to give it an extra fresh coat and also an extra protection. At the same time, the top rail support caps, which were attached to the poles, I sanded those down as well, and I gave them a nice fresh coat of paint. And I already started repainting the top plates. This is an old one, and this is I gave a first coat of primer on new one. There you go. And we've already started refilling the pool. I've started vacuuming it, and yeah, we're going to continue. Alright, so there you have it. I put the pool opening kit inside with the shock treatment for the saltwater pools with the special liquid that comes into the box to protect the cell, which makes the chlorinator cell. I added 4 bags of salt, and as you can see, my reading is at 3,500, and the salt levels should be between 27 and 3,400 ppms. So everything seems to be okay. What I'm going to do also is, when it's a little bit sunnier, I'm going to do a test with those strips and see exactly what the other readings are so I can adjust accordingly. So that means tomorrow what I'm going to do is going to let 24 hours pass, and I'm going to turn on the machine onto auto and see where the settings go. And there we have it. After a nice couple of days regulating all of our chemicals, just putting a little bit of stabilizer and letting the salt do its work, here is our wonderful pool ready for the summer. As you can see, the top ledges came out wonderfully. Looks like a brand new pool. Alright, so there you have it. A couple days have passed. Like I said before, I let the chlorinator do its job. I added the salt that I needed to stabilize everything, and it created enough chlorine. I passed the vacuum a couple of times just to make sure that everything was clear on the bottom. And we're ready for summer. So with a little TLC, we sanded those boards down, repainted it, got a new pool. So you can have a great summer and enjoy the pool for another year. The pool opening kit that I used was the Azure pool opening kit for saltwater pools. I'll leave a link in the description down below where I purchased it. And another good thing that I have is to help you keep your pool level stabilized. And you have these little strips that you can just add into the water and let it sit for a few seconds, and it shows what you need to add if you need to add anything. So there you go. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and also just like to say we've hit over 3,000 subscribers, and I'm so happy that you guys are subscribing. Thanks for watching all the videos. Thanks for subscribing. Keep on going. And if anybody has any comments or suggestions that can help anybody else when repairing their pool or opening their pool, feel free. You can leave them down in the comments and down below. So guys, have a great day, have a great weekend, and enjoy your pools. Stay cool. Bye guys.